seen a variety of birds either on television or in a sanctuary. Birds are one of the most beautiful creatures on the earth. There are many different kinds of birds, each with a different color and size. Birds have a pair of wings, 2 legs, feet and claws, a tail, a beak, 2 eyes and 2 ears. Like animals, birds do not have teeth. That is why they cannot bite or chew food. They have beaks, with the help of which they eat their food. Birds use their beaks and claws to catch and feed on their prey. The claws of birds also help them to capture the kind of food they eat. Some birds, for example, hummingbird and sunbird, have thin, long and pointed beaks that resemble a straw. The beak is shaped in such a way so as to allow the birds to suck nectar from the flowers. Just as beaks of birds tell us about their food habits, the feet and claws of birds tell us about their living habits. Birds use their claws to run, walk, perch or hunt prey. Birds even use their claws to climb, scratch, wade and swim. Birds can be differentiated on the basis of different types of claws they have. These include perching birds, climbing birds, preying birds, wading birds, running or scratching birds, and swimming birds. Flightless birds. The birds that cannot fly are called flightless birds. The birds that cannot fly rely on their ability to walk or run. Ostriches are known to run at very high speeds. Their legs and feet are designed to help them run fast.